I just love those big bushy bouquets, and that's what I'm aiming for. So I am going to make my own wedding bouquet. I'm really excited. I think that the first thing you need is a general idea of what you want. Colors, size, shape. I went to Hobby Lobby where they have great deals. I personally love bouquets that hang down. These flowers here, mostly for color. It even has like fall leaves, and I just think that's so cute because we're getting married in October. This, for mostly the sunflower. Again, I just really love yellow. Absolutely love these things. Don't know what they are, but I'm really excited to overexploit them in my bouquet. I plan on cutting them all apart and kind of mix and matching what I want in my bouquet, so I'm really excited. The supplies that I got are wire cutters, floral wire, floral tape, and scissors just in case. One of the good things about using fake flowers is while you are trying to rush them together, they shouldn't break. I had to spend a lot of time untangling these, which is probably a con of using plastic shrubbery. I think I'm gonna start with this one because it seems like the hardest one to do. Twine. Oh my god, there's more. But I got all this free twine. If you are gonna use scissors, don't use dumb scissors like these ones. Can you cut this off, that tape? Thanks. Ah, I got a thing. I'm not particularly sure I want a pine cone in my wedding bouquet. Things. Cat hair. Okay, so far this is what is my bouquet so far. Make sure you already got yourself a man, because you're gonna need help prying these things apart. If I was trying to make this video to prove how easy this could be, I would be failing. Wow, this is gonna be gorgeous. I pictured my bouquet made of shrubbery. I'm loving this. I'm pushing all the leaves up, and I just think it makes them look so much fuller. I got all of these. Okay, this is turning out. I'm really excited. This right here would be a beautiful bridesmaid bouquet if I wasn't so selfish and wanted some of these. I know that I want this sunflower, and I want some of this good stuff, so I'm gonna throw that in there. I think I'm going to pull out most of the more tan toned flowers for the bridesmaid because that's kind of what her dress is, and I think I'm going to be keeping the more white flowers for me. So this is what I got so far, and I'm going to add in some of these. I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm so excited. I'm debating on if I want it to be like all down in front or popping out of the sides. I forgot my poofs. I almost didn't put my favorite part into the bouquet. Honestly, I considered having the flower girl throw these poofs because they're just so cute. I may be an amateur, but I try really hard. That's all you need, right? Is willpower. I just love those big bushy bouquets, and that's what I'm aiming for. So just that one, yep. So I like it looking at this angle, but holding it this way, this is kind of awkward. I think I'm gonna cut these shorter, but I'm not going to do that until this is all taped up. I think I'm gonna start with the bridesmaid bouquet to have a little bit of confidence in myself. I think this would be cute and nice for a flower girl.
You think so?
Yes. I mean, a bridesmaid. Yes, I think this would be sufficient. I like it. on the other side of it or on top? So after working really hard on making 4 different bouquet boutonniere things, we called it a night. I guess for good reason, because I looked at it today and I am ready to make a few minor adjustments to what I have. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's pretty much exactly what I wanted, but now it's not what I want anymore, so. I'm gonna chop this, mostly because I'm short and this takes up like my whole legs. I'm just ready to show off my dress, and this is enough. Dang, I could almost make another one, Garrett. Check it out. With pine cones and sunflowers.
I don't know if I would feel special or if we could really make it work.
Okay, we have a